Hello. What's up? Welcome back to the SS Beauty YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Harsh. That's Rian.
Hello.
And we've got a very fun and a different video lined up for y'all. And I hope you're gonna love it. So just stay tuned for a little chaos, a little bit of fun, laughter, and a little bit of beauty magic as well.
Yep.
Because we are currently heading out to a party. And yeah, we need to reach there ASAP in this Bombay traffic, and we're gonna get you all along with this journey. So join us.
Let's
Let's
get
go.
going. We have to go. So I'm
Wow.
gonna get ready till the time we reach, because obviously I'm not ready yet. Can you see?
What?
Only my hair is done.
What do you mean you're not ready?
What? I'm not gonna come like this. Now we're going for a party.
So what more is? Oh my God, you've carried a full pouch, matlab, at
There's
this
a
point.
box too. I came with a huge
Oh my!
bag.
Why did you come with a bag?
Because we're getting ready in the car.
But I gave you time to get ready at your house.
That wasn't enough time, Harsh. You shouldn't get bored while I get ready. So you wanna play again?
I will, but why are you even doing this? You're anyway looking pretty.
Oh, thanks.
With the dress.
But no, I want to feel confident, and that's why I'm gonna put some makeup on.
Oh, you will be proud about this, but I wore sunscreen and I've carried my lip balm and the perfume,
That's it.
which is, but that is all I do.
And are you gonna cover these stuff? Like, we know you didn't sleep enough last night, but you
Wow,
want to
so-
tell the world this.
So, okay, great.
So I'm gonna start, and you need to guess the prices for each product I'm gonna apply. Your serum.
Oh, it's a serum.
Yeah,
What serum is it?
it's for hydration.
Let's go for 600. Yeah. 600
You
is
think
good.
you just say high end? Do you wanna try? Give
No.
it another shot.
I'm that far. So is it?
Yeah.
What?
You're doing a terrible job.
400? No, acha, it can't be. It can't be lesser.
No.
400 ka to. I'll tell you how much I would pay for. See, I wouldn't.
No, we
buy
don't want to know how much you're going
Acha,
to pay, because you're not going to
1200.
buy.
1200.
Okay, no.
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 More than
Should I
1200.
just tell you I'm getting
Yeah.
impatient? It's 3,500.
What?
Yeah. Hello, it's good quality stuff.
But
You need to
It's
put good
this
quality.
much?
Yes. But it'll last you a long time now. Who's saying no? I think I'm gonna keep it simple and put like a skin tint.
what's a skin tint?
So it's basically like your.
What brand is that?
This is Bobbi Brown.
Oh, I've heard of Bobbi Brown.
Bobbi
Brown is like
Bobbi Brown.
Bobbi Brown is expensive. I know that.
Yeah, it is.
I
it is.
think yeah.
So it's like a skin tint with SPF.
Bobbi Brown is expensive, so it looks fancy also.
Price.
1800.
Buddy, come on.
1800.
Mm.
It's a no more.
No, not even halfway
Shit,
there.
bro.
Yo.
No, halfway there. It's more than 3.6.
Okay, 3. Yeah. You got that right.
It's around 3.6.
Easy.
God.
Oh. So tell me, Harsh, what's up? How's life?
Life has been good, yaar. Chill kar raha hai, party kar raha hai. It's the year end, so the vibes are vibing.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of concerts happening, which I'm loving.
Oh,
So you've just in two products you've spent 7K. I'm just seeing my rent money, electricity, my every month ka kharcha.
Now you
all
see
of
what
this.
it is being a girl. Okay, now concealer.
Concealer,
It's so bumpy. How will
Maybelline.
I do my concealer? Gosh. Okay, wait.
Let's do 500. No, 600.
Hey, you're pretty close, huh? Actually,
Hey,
it's
nice.
550.
Oh, nice. Oh, much better.
That's what I'm
Wow.
saying. You should try it for your scars.
Yeah, I think this. If it can hide this.
You have any sisters, Harsh?
No, I'm a single child.
Makes sense.
God.
See?
Oh, this.
Mhm.
It's with that. This.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, my mom
compact.
uses it.
You
my
must have
mom.
heard
uses-
compact.
Yeah, my mom uses it. That's the only way I know it.
So, guess how much?
1,000. Less. Oh, 800.
850. Not
Oh,
bad,
I'm
right?
good at this, bro.
Yeah, you are.
Nice.
Yeah.
As a gift, I think you need to help me with a couple of suggestions. So right
But-
now, I'm only like doing the face wash. I put on a little moisturizer and then I put sunscreen and then I'm putting a lip balm. That's all.
It's a pretty good routine. But if we're going out, you know, you want to look more bright and fresh, then it's a good idea to put some concealer. Dab it in. You don't have to put that much. Your skin's actually pretty good. So I think if you put just that much also, you're good to go.
See, I'm not gonna be a beauty influencer at all.
Why not? You should step into
Bro,
it.
no. You know how much guys are judged because of if they start doing like skincare and beauty? Because I put up a post about doing like basic skincare, okay? And I've been bombarded with all of these comments that, oh, be a man. How can you like go to the gym and then come back home and apply skincare?
So what, being a man is using 3-in-1 body, shampoo, conditioner, that's... Did you put sunscreen?
I have put sunscreen
You
already.
wanna put some more?
Why do you just look at me like, oh,
No,
he's
so
done
why
some?
is because this is the Clinique one and it's tinted.
Ooh.
So it's a tinted sunscreen.
Oh, wait. Okay, I've seen sunscreens because I buy them.
Hmm.
This is SPF 50. My lord.
See,
Oh, it's
tinted.
color wala.
Color.
Yeah, tinted. Sorry, bhai. Ooh. Okay.
I think this is like your shade. Yeah, it's pretty good. You weren't prepared now. I was gonna make you do some
Yeah.
makeup.
I didn't know you were also gonna do it.
It's been fun though. You're learning so much.
Oh, wow.
You wanna try the concealer now?
Yes. Because I don't think I have dark circles.
No, this is your shade. But
Bas,
let's
bas.
try. Now you just dab it in. You do it. Dab it in. Tap 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 tap.
Tapping.
Slowly, yeah. Don't
Achha.
hit yourself.
Eee. Oh, wow.
You see?
Oh,
the
it-
difference?
Oh, it blended in.
Yeah,
Oh, it is my shade.
of course.
Oh, wow.
What are you doing? Do not do this when I'm doing my eyes. I've kept it for the last and we're going to stop and we're going to do this. This though, you have to guess the price for this. This is an eyeshadow palette.
Oh. Wow. I don't think this should be expensive. Huh?
This is not crayons,
I know,
watercolor
but-
paints. I know, as a child you bought that palette, but it's not that.
Rose 700.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but what more?
It's MAC. I'm giving you one last go.
1100.
You're terrible at this.
1100. No, what are you? Why are you looking
Let
at
me
me like
bring it
that?
to you. It's 6K. Eyeshadow's done. How does it look?
Oh, I like the glitter. I like the glitter.
It's very potty. This is like the fragrance right now, Puneet.
Oh yeah, this I've seen. I've seen like the smaller one of this. Damn. And this is my perfume. I love this because it's also like a showpiece on my
Yeah, it's
desk.
so cute.
It just stays like this, but yes, that's the perfume. It's Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy, and that's
Lancome.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Oh wow,
fresh, no?
it's
It's
I like
got
it.
that little
It's been-
musky note
Yeah.
at the end.
Well, we're all set, and I actually like this better than what I had stepped into the car with. I'm glad. I'm glad with all of the experimentation which I did.
You look great. You should feel confident now when we enter the party.
That is just me, I think.
Acha. Yeah.
We're just gonna head out. We look good, we smell good. I think the makeup and the beauty is on point. And so if you like the video, go like, comment, share and subscribe to SS Beauty's YouTube channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos.
Exactly. Yes.
More fun.
This was fun.
This was.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bye. Thank you
See
for watching.
Bye.